The most active and dangerous volcanoes of the world. Mount Bromo volcano, Indonesia. Mount Bromo volcano is an active volcano in Indonesia. This volcano is not very big, but the view of Bromo is amazing. As an active volcano, Bromo is the main and popular tourist destination in East Java. The name Bromo is said to be derived from Brahma, a Hindu god. Mount Merapi volcano, Indonesia. This is the most active volcano in Indonesia and has erupted regularly since 1548. The recent eruption occurred at Mount Merapi on June 21, 2020. Taal volcano, Philippines. Taal volcano is a large caldera filled by Taal Lake in the Philippines. This is the second most active volcano with 34 historic eruptions. The recent eruption of Taal volcano occurred on January 12, 2020. Sakurajima volcano, Japan. This is a stratovolcano. Sakurajima summit has three peaks: Northern Peak, Central Peak and Southern Peak. Its highest peak is Northern Peak. The recent eruption started at Sakurajima on November 12, 2019. Mount Agung volcano, Indonesia. This is an active volcano on the island of Bali in Indonesia. It is the highest point on Bali and dominates the surrounding area. The recent eruption occurred at Mount Agung on June 2019. Mount Hood volcano, Oregon, US. This is an active stratovolcano. This is one of the most dangerous volcanoes of the world. Mount Hood remains an active volcano. This volcano has been active for at least 5 lakh years. Coatepeque volcano, El Salvador in Central America. It is an extremely natural beauty. Lake Coatepeque is of volcanic origin. This is 50,000 years old. Lake Coatepeque is a large crater lake surrounded by wooded hills in western El Salvador. Kilauea volcano, Hawaii. This is the youngest and most active volcano in the Hawaiian island. Kilauea erupted between 1983 and 2018. The recent eruption occurred at Kilauea volcano on May 3, 2018. Mount St. Helens volcano, Washington. Mount St. Helens is an active stratovolcano located in Washington, United States. Its eruption on May 18, 1980 was one of the greatest volcanic eruptions ever recorded in North America. The recent eruption occurred at Mount St. Helens on July 10, 2008. Mount Mayon volcano, Philippines. Mount Mayon is a sacred and active stratovolcano in the Philippines. Mount Mayon is called the world's most perfect volcanic cone because of the symmetry of its shape. The recent eruption occurred at Mount Mayon volcano in January 2018. Popocatepetl volcano, Mexico. It is an active stratovolcano located in the Mexico. Popocatepetl is the second most active volcano in Mexico. In terms of explosive activity and population, it ranks highest in Mexico and North America. The last eruption of this volcano was 2004, and from 2004 to 2020 it is still erupting. Mount Visuvius volcano, Italy. Vesuvius is the only active volcano in mainland Europe. It overlooks the bay and city of Nepal. Mount Vesuvius is considered to be one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world. The last time Visuvius activated was in 1944.